It's certainly a positive outcome, the tapering to 7.7. I think that's what the market widely expected. I don't think too many people were surprised with the outcome that we go down to 7.7 for August and September. You talked a bit about the impact of demand destruction. That looks to be not quite as bad as first thought for the first half of the year, but still absolutely unprecedented in scale. But the coming online of those cuts in May and June has been huge to balancing and stabilizing the market and creating that $40-$43 trading range that you had on the graphic just there, to the extent that we believed that in June we may have even flipped to a net draw position, just a minor one, about 1.1 million barrels, 1.5 million barrels a day. But yeah, it does seem to validate the timing of the tapering.
Sure, but what can you tell us about the overall demand environment for key economies which are big oil consumers? I'm talking about India, which is still in lockdown mode, and a major chunk of that demand is out of the market. The U.S., again, fits and starts, stop, start sort of a move is what we are seeing there in the wake of a possible second wave, third wave coming by. And so what can you tell us about how you're looking at the numbers improving on the demand side?
Yeah, look, the demand side is obviously huge uncertainty for the narrative going forward. It's always going to kind of be the unknown in any kind of model, and we'll have huge variance. Like I said, it looks like for the first half of the year, the demand destruction not quite so bad. But on the flip side, the recovery now expected to be softer in the third quarter relative to what we were thinking maybe a month or two ago, exactly for the reasons you mentioned, potential second waves and regional lockdowns at the moment that we're seeing in a number of major economies. The other thing to bear in mind is that even if we move into the fourth quarter, we're still going to see a 3 to 4 million barrel a day kerosene-shaped hole in global consumption, and that's going to be this lingering structural impact on air travel, and that could last all the way into all the way through to the first half of next year as well. So it's likely that demand won't recover to BAU levels until at least maybe the back end of next year at the earliest.